Measles are on the rise across the country, surpassing the number of reported cases last year.
And some local health care professionals fear this trend could be putting your children at risk locally, especially as they're back in the classroom. News Channel 9 Today's Chorus Nylander is live in Central El Paso with what you need to know to keep your kids healthy this school year. Chorus.
Good morning, Sandra. Well, the last time El Paso saw a reported case of measles was the year I was born, 1993. But that doesn't mean a virus can't pop up suddenly. Right now, more than 20 states, including Texas, are reporting cases of measles as it spreads across the country, which is leaving some local health professionals worried, especially as students locally, they're seeing an increase in them requesting exemptions from vaccinations, which could potentially leave the Sun City vulnerable.
Okay, are you ready?
Michelle Doonan is a registered nurse for Sleda ISD's Comprehensive Care Center. She often gives students needed vaccinations.
Relax, honey. Real quick. We're done.
To protect against many dangerous viruses.
The measles, the mumps, rubella, tetanus, whooping cough, they're all very important to have your child vaccinated against.
But right now, a big concern is measles, as the CDC reports more than 100 cases spreading to 22 states, including Texas, already surpassing last year's numbers.
Measles is a great concern for parents.
El Paso hasn't seen a reported case since 1993, but right now the number of students across El Paso County getting exempt from vaccines is on the rise, which Doonan says is potentially leaving students more vulnerable.
I hope more parents that have their children exempt will get them vaccinated for the measles so they don't have to suffer the disease of measles and get hospitalized and are very ill.
According to data from the Texas Department of State Health Services, in the 2016 to 2017 school year, 0.23% of students in El Paso County had a conscientious exemption. That number jumped to 0.30% this past school year, twice the number of exemptions reported just 7 years ago.
Thank you.
Doonan says the most common reason is for matters of religion.
Every parent has a right not to vaccinate their child, but in my professional opinion, every child should be vaccinated in the state of Texas.
Now, there's still time to register for school and file for exemptions, so this school year's current numbers are unclear at this point. But a student that is unvaccinated will not be allowed in school unless all of the proper paperwork is filed. Nurse Doonan says that typically the vaccines cost between $10 and $15, so she says it's a small cost for something potentially life-saving. Reporting live in Central El Paso this morning, Chorus Nylander, News Channel 9.